Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to replace color in Photoshop for for 3 way. Okay, apply first way, brush tool, select the color replacement tool. Okay, use change color. Okay, and another way to replace the color. Click here, selective color, change color, select the color yellow. Now we can see this change the color or yellow. Okay, then apply the last method 3. Who saturations, select only layers and then change color. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.